back to the channel once again. Welcome back. This PC is my this is my DJ PC. I wanted to take y'all along because I remember I told you guys in a video or two about the Videocard that I got from Amazon. This way, y'all believe me. Here's the Videocard. When I realized it came with that, I was like, oh no. This is a fake card. This is fake. This is made out of China. They make them for $50. They sell them on Amazon for $100. Okay. This is not a GT 730. This is a GT 710. Even though it says GT 730, it's a GT 710 modified for 4 gigabytes of VRAM. So I said like this, as long as, you know, right now it's working, but it's kind of not. It's kind of not. Would you ask yourself this question? Would you buy a card with 96 CUDA cores? I was under the impression this had 384 CUDA cores, but it didn't turn out that way. Turned out when I looked at it again, the 2 gigabyte version had 384 core. This is an AMD, and I know I showed this before. It's an AMD R5 240. Now this has got 384 core, and this is a 1 gig, and this is DDR3, and this is DDR3 as well. Back then, when I bought these cards are not even a year old. They're still within warranty. But that becomes another issue for another story, because you pay what you pay what you get for. And basically what I got for was that I thought I had a warranty. I'm not even going to explain it, because what'll happen is if I let the cat out of the bag now until the finale of this, then, you know, y'all will be looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, believe it or not. This card fully pushed to the max does 145 degrees temperature. It stays between 60 and 70 degrees Celsius. I'm averaging, because I don't have the numbers right in front of me, so I'm saying between 60 and 70. Okay. The fan is not adjustable. The fan has been rigged to run at 50%, which they should have put the control of the fan on there, which they didn't. And this is the reason why I don't use NVIDIA cards for gaming, is because 1, you don't have the fan control. 2, they overheat like crazy. 3, the performance sucks, and 4, the price is not there. Especially when they take and they branch off and they sell, you know, their their technology to these other vendors, and these other vendors put together these cards and stuff. And with them using NVIDIA parts for this card, I don't even know if all the parts are brand new or old. So 9 out of 10 chances, and I've been hearing this. I mean, you even go to, where is it? AliExpress. That's another thing and another bill, but AliExpress, excuse me, with them, that's touch and go. I ordered some parts from AliExpress. I got half the order, and I had to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait until you become a skeleton before you get your stuff. It takes approximately almost 2 to 3 months to get their product all the way here in the US. AliExpress, you don't have my attention anymore. Luckily, Amazon still has my attention a little bit. Newegg, no. I tried ordering something from Newegg. They had to cancel the order because the guy discontinued whatever he had out there. Said it's already sold. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. I mean, guys, if you're gonna sell something online, don't put one product there. You only put one product there. That means you're phishing, you're scamming, and people are going to catch on to that. When you say you got this amount of product, let's say you got 500, graphics cards, 500 graphics cards, all multi-variety. You put them, list them all down on one page, and say you got all these graphics cards. And then you check them off every time you sell them. Be honest when you sell a graphics card. Don't piss your consumers off. If you understand what I mean. Don't piss your consumers off. Give them honest information. Don't give them crap information. Especially when they think they bought a new product, and believe it or not, this right here, this video card right here, you list it as a new product, which it's not. It's a refurbished, and you're selling it for a new product to get $100 for it. So, Amazon, you need to take and check your vendors out really carefully. Seriously. Because this is getting old. Really old. If you want me to continue buying and recommending people to your site, then you need to clean up your act and become more honest. And I mean honest. Especially with people like me, helping people out that's around me, with their PC situations and everything else. And you want to sell products for $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, and you're giving everybody what they call chat. You understand? You know what chat means? It means toilet bowl, kind of clean the toilet bowl kind of thing with the device that you're sending, and just shove it right up your kazoo. Does that sound familiar? That's what everybody's been telling you all along, but you don't understand. You can hate me, or you can like me, or you can take my honest opinion for what it is, gold. But anyway, I have this PC I'm doing and looking through right now to make sure it's up to 100%, make sure it's not dusty and everything else. And yes, ketchup and mustard, guys. Ketchup and mustard. Nobody's going to see the inside of my case. And yes, I got it bundled up nice and neatly. And yes, I am running a 430 watt power supply. 430 watts for this right here. This graphics card only draws 45 watts. The motherboard with the processor is only drawing 55, maybe less. So with all the fans, the hard drives and everything, I'm only using up approximately 130, 140 watts with this computer. Low budget, well grafted. It's got 4 DIMM slots full of cards. It's got a 4x4 in here. That's mix match RAM, guys. That's not all the same RAM, it's mix match. This computer runs at 1333 megahertz. It's all mix match, and it runs Windows 10. And it runs it very well, believe it or not. Runs it really good. I'm very happy with it. Except for this graphics card. That graphics card, I get me another one. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to put a big billboard that says from Amazon. Do not buy this. You know, it's kind of crap, guys. You know, if you, I'll tell you what, this graphics card right here, I got for $25. This here has controllable fan. This here has overclocking. I can overclock this right here. It's almost the same and greater frequency of this. This might have 1 gig of VRAM, but you can share much more with the dedicated memory of the system. That's why this is going to be your my takeaway to you guys. If you get RAM, you can get 16 gigs. You share 4, you got 1, that's 5. Okay, everybody thinks, well, dedicated RAM's not the same as VRAM and this and that. Well, you know, I hate to tell you this. I've already pushed the 1 gig that was out of this card. The 1 gig that was dedicated. And also, too, the RAM I had in my computer was 16. I pushed that almost to 7 gigs on this card. 7. So, if you're telling me it's impossible, I tell you, you're a liar.